that be?
Alright. You use scientific notation. You use scientific notation in science to measure things that are really big and really small. So scientific notation is used, it's a way to write really big numbers and really small numbers. It's a way to write really big, and when I say really big, I mean like 10 digits, 11 digits, big numbers, and really small. And when I say, bless you, when I say really small, bless you again, I mean like 10 zeros and then a number. And when you're dealing with science, when you're talking about like the weight of the earth, it is a very big number. But we wouldn't say, I don't even know, I can't, 1 cotillion tons or whatever. Wouldn't say that. You would say 1 point something. You write it in scientific notation. So, to start us off, we have been dealing with powers of 10 on the warm-ups every day. So you had 10 to the second power is how much? 100. 10 to the third power is? Notice that 2 has 2 zeros? 1,000. Because it has 3 zeros. 10 to the fourth would have how many zeros? 4 zeros. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these powers of 10, you're extending the number to make it a bigger, bigger, bigger number. These are positive exponents. Positive powers of 10. So when something is being multiplied by 10 to the second, it's multiplied by 100. When it's multiplied by 10 to the third, it's times 1,000. Okay? Scientific notation in your grade, eventually you will write it with significant figures, but that doesn't apply to you now. Oops. You want your decimal to be between the first 2 digits. So 1, the decimal should be between the first 2 digits. And what I mean by that is if I had the number 58,927, the first 2 digits are what? What are the first 2 numbers in this number? 5 and 8, 58. So the decimal is going to go right there. Those are the first 2 digits. That's where my decimal is going to go. Step 2 is to count, bless you, bless you again. Step 2 is to count how many digits you moved left. So if my decimal is originally here, and I have to move it, 5, 8, 9, 2, 7. I need to move it to here. That's how many digits? So that's 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This becomes my power. So step 3. You move it. Sorry, it's crooked. So step 3, write your new digit, or write your new number with your new decimal place with new decimal place times 10 to the power of step 2. So I have my new number is 5.897 or 8927. So 5.8927 times 10, and then how many digits did I move left? How many digits did I move the decimal? 4. So to the 4th. That's scientific notation. This is called scientific notation. Now, to undo scientific notation is much easier. You just count, pick green. To undo into, this is standard notation. You move the decimal right the number of spaces the exponent is. Move decimal, number spaces of exponent. And what that means is if I had 9 times 10 to the 7th, what is the exponent? 7. And where is the decimal in the 9?
Right.
It's on the right. So I've got 9 point, and I need to move it 7 spaces to the right. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dot. And I fill in my zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's how you undo scientific notation. You pick up your decimal and you move it 7 spaces to the right because we are dealing with positive exponents.